Dear students, in the previous class we studied about matrices and what is a matrix and what are the types of the matrices and what is the addition and subtraction of matrices, two matrices, and what is the multiplication of matrix. So what is the multiplication of matrices? When it is possible, multiplication of two matrices is possible when the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Then only those matrices can be multiplied. Such matrices are said to be conformable for multiplication. Otherwise, the product of two matrices is undefined. And we also studied about the types of matrices. So what are the types of matrices? Rectangular matrix, row matrix, column matrix, null matrix, square matrix, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, unit matrix, and triangular matrices. And addition and subtraction of matrices. What is the addition of matrix? A and B are two matrices of same order, then only they can be added or subtracted. So we learned some problems on addition, subtraction of matrices and multiplication. In this class, we will discuss about multiplication of matrices with some more problems. See the first problem. If A is equal to X, Y, Z, B is equal to AHG, HBF, GFC, and C is equal to XYZ. Find ABC. So we have given three matrices. The order of the first matrix is 1 by 3 because it is having one row and three columns. And the second matrix is, the order of the second matrix is 3 by 3, 3 rows and 3 columns. And the order of the third matrix is 3 by 1, 3 rows and 1 column. So A is the row matrix, C is the column matrix, B is the square matrix. So to find ABC, first you take A and B, A into B, find the product of two matrices, then the resultant matrix can be multiplied with C, AB into C. So AB means here A is the order of 1 by 3 and this is 3 by 3. The number of columns in the first matrix, that is A matrix, is 3, and the number of rows in the second matrix is also 3. These two are equal. So the multiplication of these two matrices is possible. So AB is equal to XYZ into AHG, HBF, GFC. So what is the multiplication of matrices? Row into first row into column, first column, and the second element is first row into second column, and third element is first row into third column. If here we have only one row, so we'll get only the row matrix here. That is X into AX plus HY plus GZ. Similarly, HX second column, these row elements into second column elements, HX plus BY plus FZ, and the row elements into third column, GX plus FY plus CZ. So this is equal to AB. Now we have to find ABC. AB into C. Here AB is the row matrix 1 by 3. Order of 1 by 3, that is AX plus HY plus GZ, HX plus BY plus FZ, GX plus FY plus CZ into what is C here? C is XYZ. So here what is the order of this matrix, AB matrix? That is first one row and three columns, 1 by 3, and this is 3 by 1. So the number of columns in the first matrix is 3 and the number of rows in the second matrix is 3. So these two are equal. So the multiplication of these two matrices is possible. So now by taking the row elements into column elements, we will get the resultant matrix. Order of the resultant matrix will be 1 by 1. That means only one element. So that is ax plus hy plus gz into x, that is x into ax plus hy plus gz, plus y into hx plus by plus fz, plus gx plus fy plus cz into z. That is a into x square plus h into xy plus g into xz plus hx into y plus by into y, that is by square, plus f into yz plus gxz plus fyz plus cz square. So that can be written as ABC is equal to ax square plus by square plus cz square plus hxy plus hxy 2hxy plus fyz plus fyz 2fyz plus gxz, that is 2gxz. So the multiplication of these three matrices ABC is equal to ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2hxy plus 2fyz plus 2gxz. So this is the result of this ABC. If A is equal to 2, 3 minus 1, 2, show that A square minus 4A plus 7I is equal to null matrix 0. So to show this, at first we have to find the each term value, A square value, 4A value and 7I value. After getting all these values, we have to substitute in this equation. Now take what is A square. A square is equal to A into A. That is 2, 3 minus 1, 2 into 2, 3 minus 1, 2. So by taking the multiplication here, these two are the same order, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. That is here the first row elements into first column and first row elements into second column. That gives the first row elements in the resultant matrix. Similarly, the second row elements into the first column and the second row elements into second column. That gives the second row elements. That is 2 into 2, 4 plus 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 4 minus 3. Next, first row elements into second column. That is 2 into 3, 6 plus 3 into 2, 6. So these are the first row elements. Now coming to the second row, minus 1 into 2, minus 2 plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. And second column, second row into first second column, minus 1 into 3, minus 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 4. That is equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1. 6 plus 6, that is 12. Minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 4. Minus 3 plus 4, that is 1. So the value of A square is here 1, 12 minus 4, 1. Now we have to find the value of 4A. 4A means 4 into what is A here? 2, 3 minus 1, 2. So by multiplying with 4, we will get 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. 4 into 2, 8. So this is 4A. Now what is 7I? I means unit matrix. So what is the unit matrix? in a square matrix, if all the elements are zeros except in the principal diagonal and the principal diagonal elements are equal to unity. So here 7i is equal to 7 into, we have the second order matrix that is 2 by 2 matrix. That's why we are taking the unit matrix I2, that is second order matrix, that is 1 0 0 1. If it is third order, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. But here we have given the 2 by 2 matrix, that's why we are taking the second order unit matrix, 7 into 1 0 0 1. Now by multiplying with 7, we'll get 7 into 1 7, 7 into 0 0, 7 into 0 0, 7 into 1 7. So this is 7i. So after getting a square value, 4a value and 7a value, now substitute all these values in the equation a square minus 4a plus 7i, that is equal to a square is equal to 112 minus 4 1 minus 4a minus of 8 12 minus 4 8 plus 7i, that is 7007, that is equal to, by adding the corresponding elements 1, here minus is there, so this should be take it as minus 8 minus 12 plus 4 minus 8, so this is minus 8 1 minus 8 plus 7. Next 12 minus 12 plus 0. Next minus 4, minus of minus 4 is plus 4, minus 4 plus 4 plus 0. Next 1 minus 8 plus 7, so that is 1 minus 8 plus 7, that is 7 plus 1 8, 8 minus 8 0, 12 minus 12 0, minus 4 plus 4 0, 7 plus 1 8 minus 8 0, so that is equal 0. So this is the null matrix, 0 is the null matrix, hence proved. So to prove this, first we have calculated the value of a square by multiplying a into a, two matrices. We got this one. And then 4a, we calculated the value of 4a, 4 into a, that is 8 12 minus 4 8. 7i, 7i means 7 into unit matrix 1 0 0 1, that is 7 0 0 7. So after getting these values, we have substituted in the equation a square minus 4a plus 7i. So by the simplification, we got all zeros, which is known as a null matrix, which is denoted by O. Next, if A is equal to 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0, so this is a 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns. Compute A square, so we have to find the value of A square. So A square is equal to A into A, that is 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0 into 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. So by using the multiplication process here, so first row into first column, that is the first element in the first row. First row into second column, corresponding elements are multiplied and added to all these products, that is the second element. First row into third column, that gives the third element in the first row. Similarly, by taking the second row into first column, so this is one, and second row into second column, this is the second element in the second row, and second row into third column, this gives the third element in the second column. Now coming to the third row into first column, that is third row, first element in the third row into second column, that is the second element in the third row into third column, that is the third element in the third 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 row. So here 2 0 1, 2 into 2 4 plus 0 into 2 0 plus 1 into 1. So we should multiply the corresponding elements by row and column. Row in the first matrix into column elements. So that is 4 plus 0 plus 1. Now take first row into second column elements. 2 into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 0 plus 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. Now take the first row into third column. First row means 2 into 1 2 plus 0 into 3 0 plus 1 into 0 0. So first row elements are completed. Now take second row into first column and second row into second column and second row into third column. So second row into first column. 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 2 2 plus 3 into 1 3. Now second row into second column. 2 into 0 0 plus 1 into 1 1 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Now second row into third column. 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into 3 3 plus 3 into 0 0. Now coming to the third row, 1 into 2 2 plus minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 0 into 1 0. Now third row into second column elements. 1 into 0 0 plus minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 0 into 0 0 into minus 1 0. Okay. Now third row into third column. 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 3 minus 3 plus 0 into 0 0. Now by the simplifying we will get 4 plus 0 plus 1 5 minus 1 2 9 minus 2 5 0 minus 1 minus 2. So this is the value of a square. 5 minus 1 2 9 minus 2 5 0 minus 1 minus 2. This is the value of a square. Fourth problem. Compute a square minus 3a plus 9i if I is a unit matrix of order 3 and a is equal to 1 minus 2 3 2 3 1 minus 3 1 2. So we have given a 3 by 3 matrix A and we have to find these values a square and 3a and 9i. So after finding all these, so we can substitute in this expression, we will get the solution. So a square is equal to 1 minus 2 3 2 3 1 minus 3 1 2 into 1 minus 2 3 2 3 1 minus 3 1 2 a into a. Now by the multiplication, first row into first column, it is 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 3 into minus 3 minus 9. 1 into minus 2 minus 6 plus 3. 1 into 3 3, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, plus 3 into 2 plus 6. 2 into 1 2, plus 3 into 2 6. 1 into minus 3 minus 3. Now 2 into minus 2 minus 4, plus 3 into 3 plus 9, plus 1 into 1 plus 1. Now second row into third column. 2 into 3 6, plus 3 into 1 3, plus 1 into 2 2. Now third row to first column. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3, plus 1 into 2 plus 2, plus 2 into minus 3 minus 6. Third row into second column. Minus 3 into minus 2, that is plus 6, plus 1 into 3 plus 3, plus 2 into 1 plus 2. Now third row and into third column. Minus 3 into 3 minus 9, plus 1 into 1 plus 1, plus 2 into 2 plus 4. So after simplifying this, we will get minus 13 plus 1, that is minus 12, minus 8 plus 3 minus 5, 9 minus 2 7, 8 minus 3 5, 10 minus 4 6, 9 plus 2 11, minus 9 plus 2 minus 7, 9 plus 2 11, minus 9 plus 5, that is minus 4. So we got a square as minus 12, minus 5, 7, 5, 6, 11, minus 7, 11, minus 4. So now find the value of 3a, the second term in the expression, given expression. So what is 3a? 3 is equal to 3 into a. What is a here? 1 minus 2 3, 2 3 1, minus 3 1 2. So by multiplying with 3 by each element, what we will get? 3 into 1 3, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, 3 into 3 9, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 3 9, 3 into 1 3, 3 into minus 3 minus 9, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2 6. So 3a is equal to 3 minus 6 9, 6 9 3, minus 9 3 6. Now find the third term, that is 9i. I indicates that the unit matrix. Here we have given the A matrix as third order matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. So we should take the unit matrix, third order unit matrix I3, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So 9i means 9 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now by multiplying with 9, we will get 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9. So we got the values of a square, 3a and 9i. Now substitute these values in the given expression, that is a square minus 3a plus 9i is equal to, so this is a square value, that is minus 12 minus 5 7, 5 6 11, minus 7 11, minus 4. Minus, what is 3a? 3 minus 6 9, 6 9 3, minus 9 3 6, plus 9i, that is 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9. Now by adding the corresponding elements from these three matrices, that is minus 12 minus 3 plus 9, that is the first element. Second element is minus 5, minus of minus 6 becomes plus 6 plus 0. 7 minus 9 plus 0. Now the second row elements, 5 minus 6 plus 0. 6 minus 9 plus 9. 11 minus 3 plus 0. Minus 7 third row, minus 7 plus 9 plus 0, and 11 minus 3 plus 0, and minus 4 minus 6 plus 9, that is equal to minus 6 1 minus 2 minus 1 6, 8, 2, 8 minus minus 1. So a square minus 3a plus 9i is equal to a 3 by 3 matrix, that is minus 6, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 6, 8, 2, 8, minus 1. Next problem. A is equal to 3, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 3. Find a to the power of 4. So we have given a 3 by 3 matrix. We have to find a to the power of 4 means a into a into a into a. So instead of writing that a to the power of 4 like that, simply we can write the given matrix as by taking 3 as common from here. A is equal to 3 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. By taking common 3 means dividing each element by 3, we will get 3 into 3 by 3, that is 1 0 by 3 0 0 by 3 0 0 by 3 0 3 by 3 1 0 0 0 3 by 3 1. So 3 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So which is called as a unit matrix. This is equal to 3i. So A can be written as 3i. A is equal to 3i. Now a to the power of 4 is equal to, that is 3i whole to the power of 4. That can be written as 3 to the power of 4 into I to the power of 4. Here I is the unit matrix. I square is equal to I. By multiplication with I, you will get I only. I cube is equal to I to the power of 4 is equal to I to the power of n is equal to I. So we will get 3 to the power of 4 into I. So that is 3 to the power of 4 means 81i. A to the power of 4 is equal to 81i. That is equal to 81 into 100 0 1 0 0 0 1. So by multiplying with 81, we will get 81 0 0 0 81 0 0 0 81. So simply we got the value of a to the power of 4 as 81 0 0 0 81 0 0 0 81. So this is the solution. Next, find values of x, y and z that satisfy the matrix relationship. So we have given 2 by 2 matrices, equal matrices, that is x plus 3, 3x minus 2y, minus 3x minus z, x plus y plus z. This is the left hand matrix, and right handed matrix is 2 minus 7 plus 2y, y plus 4, 2x. So these, given that these two are equal, now by equating the corresponding elements, here x plus 3 is equal to, here if ABCD is equal to XYZ then A is equal to X, B is equal to Y, Z is equal to C is equal to Z, and D is equal to P. Similarly, the corresponding elements are equal. X plus 3 is equal to 2, then X is equal to 2 minus 3 therefore minus 1. Now by taking the second element, by equating the second element in the first row, that is 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 7 plus 2y. Now by substituting the value of x is equal to minus 1 here, that is 3 into minus 1, minus 3 minus 2y is equal to minus 7 plus 2y. So minus 3 minus 2y is equal to minus 7 plus 2y. So when 2y comes this side, that becomes minus 2y, minus 2y minus 2y is equal to minus 7. This minus 3 becomes plus 3, that is equal to minus 4. So minus 2y can be written as minus 4y, that is equal to minus 4. So y is equal to 1. Thus we got the value of y is equal to 1. Now to find the value of next take the fourth element. We can take any one, this one or this one. Here given that x plus y plus z is equal to x. So here x plus y plus z is equal to x. We know the values of x and y by substituting x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 1. In this equation we will get minus 1 plus z is equal to 2 into minus 1, that is z is equal to minus 2. Thus we got x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1, z is equal to minus 2. To check whether these are correct or not, now take the third element, first element in the second row, that is minus 3x minus z is equal to y plus 4. Now substitute x value and z value here. What is x value? X is equal to minus 1. That becomes minus 3 into minus 1, that is plus 3. Plus 3 minus of minus 2. Plus 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. Minus 3x minus z is equal to 5. Now check the equal element here. Y plus 4. What is y here? Y is equal to 1. 1 plus 4. 5 is equal to 5. So the values of x, y, z are correct. See this once again. Find values of x, y and z that satisfy the matrix relationship. That is x plus 3 is by equating two matrices. We have given the two equal matrices. By equating the corresponding elements, that is x plus 3 is equal to x plus 3, first row first element is equal to first row first element. X plus 3 is equal to, so x is equal to 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 1. Now equate the second element in the first row. Here also second element in the first row. That is 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 7 plus 2y. Now substituting x is equal to minus 1, we will get 3 in minus 1 minus 2y is equal to minus 7 plus 2y. That is minus 3 minus 2y is equal to minus 7 plus 2y. When this plus 2y comes to left hand side, that becomes minus 2y, and this minus 2y is equal to minus 7 plus 3. That is minus 4y is equal to minus 4. So y is equal to 1. So we got two values, x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 1. So to find the third value, take this element or this element. Now take this element, x plus y plus z is equal to 2x. X plus y plus z is equal to 2x. Now by substituting x, y values here, x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 1. Minus 1 plus 1 plus z is equal to 2 into x is minus 1. 2 into minus 1. That is z is equal to minus 2. Thus we got the values of x. So x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1, z is equal to minus 2. So to check whether these values are correct or not, now take the fourth relation which we have given, minus 3x minus z is equal to y plus 4. Now substitute x value and z value. X is equal to minus 1, z is equal to minus 2. Minus 3 into minus 1, that is plus 3. Minus of minus 2, that is plus 2. 3 plus 2, that is 5. So here if we substitute y is equal to 1 here, this becomes 1 plus 4, 5. So these two are equal. So the values of the variables x, y, z are correct. If a plus 2b is equal to 1 0 1 minus 1 2. So the given matrix is a plus 2b, equation form. A plus 2b is equal to 2 by 3 matrix, and 2a plus 3b is equal to 1 2 minus 1 2 0 1. This is also a 2 by 3 matrix. Now find the values of a and b. Determine a and b. So to find the values of a and b, take these two equations, and by solving these two equations we will get the values of a and b, AB matrices. So here the first equation is a plus 2b is equal to 1 0 1 minus 1 2. Here the second equation is 2a plus 3b is equal to 1 2 minus 1 2 0 1. So in algebraic equations, if we want to solve the algebraic equations, we should equate the coefficients of any one of the variable in the equation. So from that, by subtracting or adding the equations, we will get the solution. In the same way, here also we can, by multiplying with 2 on both sides of the first equation, that is a plus 2b is equal to 1 0 g1 minus 1 2, that is 2 into a plus 2b. Here in the second equation we have 2a, so to get 2a here we are multiplying the equation with 2. 2 into a plus 2b is equal to 2 into 2 1 0 1 minus 1 2. So by multiplying with 2, 2a plus 4b is equal to 2 into 2 4, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 1 2, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 into 2 4. So that is 2a plus 4b is equal to 4 2 0, 2 minus 2 4. Now take the second equation, that is 2a plus 3b is equal to 1 2 minus 1 2 0 1. So here we have 2a and 2a, here we have 4b and 3b. By subtracting these two equations, we will get the value of b. 2a will be cancelled. From 1 minus 2, that is 2a plus 4b, minus of 2a plus 3b, that is minus 2a minus 3b, is equal to 4 2 0, 2 minus 2 4, minus 1 2 minus 1 2 0 1. So that is 2a minus 2a cancel, and 4b minus 3b is b. b is equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3, 2 minus 2 0, 0 minus of minus 1, that is plus 1, 2 minus 2 0, minus 2 minus 0 minus 2, 4 minus 1 3. So b is equal to 3 0 1 0 minus 2 3. Now to find the value of a, substitute in one equation. A plus 2b is equal to 1 0 1 minus 1 2. So a is equal to 2 1 0 1 minus 1 2 minus 2b. So that is 2 1 0 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 into b means this one. 2 into 3 6, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 0 0, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, 2 into 3 6. So by simplifying this, we will get 2 minus 6 minus 4, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 2 minus 2, 1 minus 0 1, minus 1 plus 4, that is 3, 2 minus 6 minus 4. So this is a. So thus we got the values of a is equal to minus 4 1 minus 2 1 3 minus 4, and b is equal to 3 0 1 0 minus 2 3. So these are the values of two matrices. Next problem. If a is equal to 1 2 minus 2 3, b is equal to 1 2 3, c is equal to minus 3 1 2 0. So we have given three matrices of second order, 2 by 2 matrices. Prove that a into b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. So to prove that, we have to take left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side means a into b plus c. Add b plus c and multiply with a. And right hand side, multiply ab and multiply ac and add these two matrices. So here take b plus c. So what is b? 2 1 2 3 plus c is minus 3 1 2 0, that is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 0 3. So this is b plus c. Now to find A into B plus C, A LHS is equal to A into B plus C. A into B plus C is equal to A is 1, 2, minus 2, 3 into B plus C is minus 1, 2, 4, 3. By taking the multiplication here, 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 4, 8. Now take the second column, first row into second column. 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 3, 6. Now the second row into first column, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 into 4, 12. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 3 into 3, 9. That is equal to 8 minus 1, 7, 6 plus 2, 8, 2 plus 12, 14, minus 4 plus 9, 5. So that is A into B plus C. And RHS is AB plus AC. AB is equal to A into B. 1, 2, minus 2, 3. B is 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. By multiplying with these two matrices, 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 1 plus 1 plus 2 into 3, 6. 1 plus 6. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4 plus 3 into 2, 6. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2 plus 3 into 3, 9. That is equal to 4 plus 2, 6, 7, 6 minus 4, 2, 9 minus 2, 7. So this is AB. AB is equal to 6, 7, 2, 7. Now AC is equal to A into C. A is 1, 2, minus 2, 3. C is minus 3, 1, 2, 0. So that is equal to 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 1 plus 1 plus 2 into 0, 0. Here minus 2 into minus 3, 6 plus 3 into 2, 6. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2 plus 3 into 0, 0. That is equal to minus 3 plus 4, that is 1, 1. 6 plus 6, 12. Minus 2 plus 0, minus 2. That is AB plus AC is equal to, so AB here, that is 6, 7, 2, 7. 6, 7, 2, 7 plus AC is 1, 1, 12 minus 2. That is equal to 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 12, 14. 7 minus 2, 5. So AB plus AC is equal to 7, 8, 14, 5. And A into B plus C is equal to 7, 8, 14, 5. So these two are equal. LHS A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So this is proved. Next. So I am giving assignment problems. So do these problems and practice it. First question is define any 4 types of matrices. So in the types of matrices, read it and write any 4 types of matrices and give examples. Second question is define unit matrix. What is a unit matrix? Give example. And third question is define null matrix. So write the null matrix definition and write the example. Fourth question is write the condition for multiplication of two matrices. So multiplication of two matrices is possible when the number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Then only the multiplication is possible. Otherwise, multiplication is not possible. Fifth question, if A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 1, minus 3, 4, B is equal to 0, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, find 2A plus 3B. So to find this, multiply A with 2 and B by 3. Then add these two matrices, we will get the solution. Sixth question is If A is equal to 131, 254, 161 and B is equal to 02 minus 215, 0 minus 24. Find x such that 2a plus 3b minus 2x is equal to null matrix. So to find x value, 2x from this equation we can write it as 2x is equal to 2a plus 3b. X is equal to 1 by 2 of 2a plus 3b. Add 2a plus 3b and divide by 2 by each element. Then we will get the value of x. Seventh one, if a is equal to 3105 minus 6 242 and b is equal to minus 2 6 minus 2 4 minus 1 3 6 1 0. These two are the 3 by 3 matrices. So AB is possible and BA is also possible. Find AB and BA. Multiplication of A and B and multiplication of B and A. These two are possible. Find the multiplication of these two matrices. The eighth question is, if A is equal to 3 minus 1 2, show that A square minus 4A plus 7I is equal to null matrix. A square means first find A square value, A into A, then find 4A value, 4 into A, and find 7I. I is the unit matrix. So after finding these values, substitute in this expression, we will get the null matrix. So do these problems, write down.